All right, everyone, coming to you today with a little election video because it is election day in the United States today, Tuesday, the 4th of 2025. Mostly today in most states, we have city and county elections. Next year, 2026, is the midterm elections. But it is election day. I have my ballot filled out already. We'll take it and drop it off today. My wife will take it and drop it off today at our local polling place. But I wanted to show people how to find their representatives for your congressional district, which is your federal district, your legislative district, which is your state district, and your local district, which for us, where I live, is your board of supervisors, right? City and stuff like that. There's also mayor, that could be a little different depending on where you live. Okay, so I'm not going to move around the website too much because I have my address covered up. I don't need you guys showing up at my house trying to touch my beard and stuff. Okay, but there is a free website you can go to, and most states have a website like this too. But this is a website called the Clean Elections Fund that you can go to. You can actually just Google it. If you Google Clean Elections, it'll go to this website, or just Google Clean Elections District Locator. You'll put in your address, and it will spit out your districts for federal, state, county, and city. I have city covered up by my webcam. Okay, if I move my webcam, boop, city. I live in Phoenix, the fourth largest state in the country. You're not going to find me here. But that is how you find your districts. And this is super important, okay? I would argue getting involved in county and city government is the most important thing that you can do. Okay. And by involved, I just mean know what they're doing. Vote in those elections. Okay. Know what your city council is doing. Know what your mayor is doing. Okay. Because the closer you are to the government, the more it affects you, the more directly it affects you. I know that we all turn on the news and Trump, Secretary of War, blah, 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 Congress this, Congress that. Pelosi says she's retiring because she's 904 years old, AOC, blah, blah, blah. I get it. Those people are basically politician celebrities, okay? But what they do on a day-to-day basis certainly impacts us. They're the federal government, but they're not going to have a quicker day-to-day impact on you than your city government, than your county government. I'm telling you that right now. When your city makes a change, it impacts you faster. That is a fact. And people vote less percentage-wise in city elections than they do in federal elections. I taught government and U.S. history for 12 years before I had to leave due to my disabilities. I have a degree in history and a master's degree in political science. That doesn't make me smarter than anyone else. It just means I might know a little bit what I'm talking about. So I implore you, vote. I don't care who you vote for. That's your choice. But I ask you to vote. Okay, I ask you to make a choice. Whatever that choice is, that's your call. But I ask you to be involved. I ask you to get out there and talk to your fellow mankind, about what it is that they want to see changed at the local level. Because that's what today is. It's local elections. Cities, counties. Some federal does occur today in some states, but cities and counties, that's what today is about. So be involved. Plus, you get an I voted sticker. I got one. We get mail-in ballots, but we don't mail them in. We get them so I can do a little bit more research with the ballot in front of me. It's pretty cool. And then we take them to the polling stations. But it comes with a sticker. Like, I have my sticker in my bedroom. But I wanted to make this video to show people how to actually do something on the internet to research about their districts. And then it has the links for you to actually go and see who these people are at every level. Okay. So click on those links. I'll leave the Clean Elections link in the description, okay, of this YouTube video. Make sure you guys are involved today. All right. You guys have a good one. Happy Election Day.